In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Oberlo app on Shopify. So this is very easy to do, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Shopify account. As you can see, I'm on my Shopify account right now. Then sign in, and then you want to go to the top left corner where you can see home. And you want to go all the way down till you see apps. You want to go to apps and then hit visit the Shopify app store. You want to go to this, and as you can see, this will redirect you to the Shopify app store. Now you want to select the account, so I select my account, and then search for the Oberlo app. Just type it in, search app Oberlo over here, and it's the first one, Oberlo dropshipping app. You can just install it for free. It's completely free. It doesn't cost any money, so you can hit it. Yeah, there's a free plan as you can see, and then hit add app. And now it's going to install the app over here. And now you have to install it by confirming, and you want to confirm and then hit install. Now you have to enter in your password, so just you have to make a password, so I'm going to do that. Then hit save password over here. And now you successfully installed the dropshipping app Oberlo on Shopify. This is basically how it works, and it's very easy. Now you can set it up. As you can see, it's 1 of 4 completed, but I leave this up to you because it's all personal preference. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.